Hi guys and welcome. This is AutoCAD 2019 course and I'm going to teach you how to master the 2D drafting and drawing. This course is designed for beginners as well as experienced users. So if you are a beginner and you want to start from scratch, this course is for you. And if you are an experienced one but you want such a refresher or a comprehensive course, this course is for you as well. The topics that we're gonna cover throughout the course, I'm going to show you how to install and set up AutoCAD, how to set up workspaces, how to get familiar with AutoCAD, how to create drawings and modify them, how to use the tools for drawings. We're gonna change the properties of drawing. We're gonna explain hatch and gradient, managing drawing with layers, and finally dimensioning and annotations. There are gonna be a lot of projects and exercises. We're gonna draw a lot of 2D shapes. We're gonna create plans for floors from civil and architectural ones. So if you think this course is for you, don't miss the chance and enroll now.